When was the first time you identified your bra size?
Men's underwear can be dry openly like that. Why do we have to hide ours?
And how about people around you? In your opinion, do you think that they are wearing the right sized bra? No.
Big no. People do this also.
Yeah,
Bro, your
this
size.
very interesting actually.
अच्छे घर की लड़कियों को शोभा नहीं देता.
Hi all of you.
Hi.
And thank you so much for coming in for this tete, if we are going to call it, because I think there are so many things that have been in my mind since the time I have started reading about lingerie or buying lingerie for that matter on my own. And people around me, say my relatives, my friends, have always had a certain perspective towards lingerie. If I have to look at lingerie in a way, it has always been a taboo, or it has always been something that you never show, or it has been something that people or women from good homes don't show off. That is something which has bothered me for the longest time. And since the time I have started seeing videos put out by you all on social media and all, I have always had this, a curiosity as to what women like you, who are actually running brands and developing products to help women become more body positive, have going on in their minds when you're working behind the desk. So, does it start from home? Does it start after you come to work? If it starts from home, how is it that you are with lingerie at your home? Does it affect your behavior, or is it the same as regular homes? Is it different with you all?
So personally, it's never affected me. It's home. It's like a free for me. So जैसे घर जाओ तो I'm free of that. So it's never affected me. It's anywhere, lying anywhere. Nobody has told me anything. It's a very casual thing for our at home.
Even for me, like we are 4 people, and like we are 3 women and 1 man at home. So it's very normal for us. Even asking our dads to pass out the product or anything, we never had to hesitate even for a bit. Ki nahi, shit, papa hai. How can you ask your dad to pass you your lingerie? It has never been that. So it's a very chill environment for me.
Okay. How about you?
I stay in PG, so I actually roam around in bra.
I think that's a different liberty that you have.
Yeah, but funny thing, like recently I had a cousin over, and my bra was lying around, and she had, and few of my friends were also over, so it was kept on a side, but it was visible that it's there, and she had this very major concern in her mind, like, oh my god, it's there, your male friends are here. And it was so shocking because she's very young and she has this mindset, and my mom, who is like double of my age, she didn't even bother कि मैं अपने बच्चे को बोलूँ कि आप प्लीज़ इसको साइड में रखो या whatever. So it was very weird for me at that point of time, because being very free about these things, and all of a sudden someone is coming and बोल रहे कि नहीं यार आप ऐसे मत करो, उसको ऐसे रखो.
Yeah, it's awkward, right?
Yeah.
So when my friends come, I actually put it out and keep it and show them to get that comment. Oh, what a sexy bra you've got.
Yeah, it should be that actually.
It should be.
Kind of.
And see, again, this is, I will point it out that we have changed as people throughout these generations. Where I remember there were times, even when I used to visit my nani's house or dadi's house, when, say, I was around 10 or 12-year-old. That's the smallest city, say Amravati, which is like a tier 3 city, to be honest. And when there is house help who comes in, there are men as well who are a part of that house help. So they used to always say that, the undergarments that you have, always dry them off in a separate area where men cannot actually get an access to visit, or they shouldn't be able to see. And today, honestly, when at my own house, there is nothing of that sort. Similar situation. It's 3 of us, and I have dad at home. And if you look at that drying thread that we have, it is all bras and briefs that we wear.
It's like, agar men's underwear can be, dry openly like that, why do we have to hide ours? It's a piece of garment at the end of the day.
Right.
It's nothing wrong. And it's like, if you don't wear bra and if you go out, if your nipple shows out, so that is also very bad for you guys. Like, objectify tab bhi hoga.
Yeah.
And uske alawa, if our bra is also showing, like, even if it's drying, so that is also a problem, which is like very wrong.
very much.
It should be either of it. I mean, you cannot put it in like both positions.
See, again, society as a whole has been a two-sided coin when it comes to women's lingerie and undergarments. I think it also reflects in the way garments, undergarments are displayed when we go out as well. I think all of you must have seen this.
Yes.
If, say for example, you are out somewhere and your bra strap is showing. Again, a very, very basic situation. How is it that you would want people to address it? Firstly, will you want someone to address it?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
But sometimes, you know, if it is really something that if you do need somebody to tell you, what are the circumstances in which you would want somebody to come and tell you that, you know, listen, this lingerie thing isn't working or something is wrong, popping out? What are the situations where you would want someone to come and help?
If it's, a close one, they can just come and just, put it inside or something. But now we wear sexy bras, I think it should be shown off. Many a times it happens that you wear a sexy bra and then you're showing it off and then people come and say, तो वो थोड़ा awkward हो जाता है. But then, so then नहीं तो I don't think, मतलब अगर आके कोई ऐसे directly comes and tells you कि yeah, your strap is showing, तो वो थोड़ा सा होता है. I mean it's cool, क्या है, it doesn't matter.
हाँ, अभी से आपका भी अंडरवेयर दिख रहा है अगर कोई लड़के कमेंट कर रहे हैं तो आपका भी दिख रहा है, so not a big deal.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, it can depend from place to place also. Like if you are at a place where it's a little inappropriate, like maybe, you're out for a meeting or you're wearing formals, you're out for a meeting, and if it's showing, it is understandable if someone is coming you and correcting you. But people pushing too much कि नहीं भाई दिख रहा तुम सही करो उसे, it's too much.
Yeah.
But in that case, they can just come and, just say, but rather than coming and saying in front of 4 people doesn't make sense.
Yeah, but in that case, also, if anyone is coming up and saying it to me, and if I don't want, I've said you like I don't want to hide it, I want to show it, but still you're pushing me कि नहीं नहीं उसको छुपाओ अभी. That is like too much.
A little too much.
That
I
I agree with.
styled it in a certain way. I wanted to show it. I've paid like hefty amount for it. Okay, it's expensive.
Yes.
So just shut up.
I think there is another angle to it. Sometimes, see, if, for example, the line of my bra, if it is showing, and somebody comes and tells me that, listen, that line is showing, and if it is going to help me look better, say, in case changing the height of the strap or tightening it a little bit is just going to make those lines go away and make me look a little better, I would want to know.
Right.
But I don't want anyone to be mean about it or anyone to be judgmental about it. If it's a help, it has to be given like a help, right? You cannot judge somebody because the lines of their bra cups are showing. And you can sense it, right? When somebody is giving you advice, whether it is actually good advice or somebody is just mocking you or coming to you in a very judgmental manner, negative way. Speech. Negative speech is something that I think all of us do not like to hear.
So from a old age person, getting this comment is okay, but from a youngster, getting this comment is, I mean,
Shocking.
shocking.
Yes, it is
The
shocking.
weird part is like women's are more uncomfortable about bra line
generally-
showing or strap showing. Itna I've not seen guys getting they'll just ignore it. It's like okay, whatever. And jitna we
Yes.
have this mindset, it's showing it. Someone will take it in a wrong way or anything. We are overthinking all of it. ऐसा सामने वाला सोच भी नहीं रहा होगा शायद.
I think also if we are not thinking about it, there are times when we might not think about it. There is a certain set of people who will come and make us realize that
they'll
come
put
on,
this
be
in.
uncomfortable. You need to be a bit more conscious about yourself. I was just traveling from Bombay to Nasik recently, and we stopped at a McDonald's for a tea break, and there was a lady who came and told me like, your bra is seen. I can see it directly, and I was like, it's okay. And she's like, no, I can see it, so I'll help you put it inside because it was a sleeveless top. And I said, no, it's fine. It's fine. I do not want to be touched basically right now, and I'm all right. And she was like, no, but ये अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है. And I was like, listen, please let me go now. So that sort of pushing was not really right, and I would want that to be avoided for anybody.
It's a kind of harassment if you look at that way.
It is, right? To force somebody to be someone that they are not,
Exactly.
ultimately. And that actually brings me to another thing. you are industry experts today, right? You work in this industry where you are trying to make people feel more positive about themselves. Would you on your own go out and give advice to somebody about their lingerie if you think that it is going to help them look great or help them develop a more positive body image for themselves?
I mean, I, I, I won't just randomly go and give advice, but yeah, if someone is coming and asking, ki like, hey, dude, just tell me now, what should I pair up with this top, or you know, this I'm facing this problem with my bra, like it's way too tight and I'm not able to understand what to do and all. At that point of time, giving advice is fine. But apart from that, randomly जाके किसी like, hey, listen, no, you should do it this way, wear this. वो बहुत weird लगता है.
नहीं, अंदर से बहुत लगता है ऐसे बोलूं पर बोल नहीं सकते. नहीं तो फिर फ्रेंड्स तक ठीक है but not for other people kind of, though I feel many times.
But your friends, say nieces at home or younger sisters for that matter, you would still do offer advice,
yeah.
right?
But that advice is never taken. So
Is this the younger generation who knows what they
yeah,
want?
so they say we know better than you all, so please. They feel we are aunties ना भी. Younger generation को बड़े लोग aunties लगने लगते हैं. आप मत दो अपना advice.
Yeah, you know, right now, all of us sitting here, we all come from a different age group, and I think from different age groups as well, how we look at lingerie and how we look at styling ourselves using lingerie has now changed. Earlier, it wasn't that way. I'm sure, like something with my mom, it was a different situation altogether. And today, when I sit here with you discussing about lingerie, which is going to go out on the web and people might be able to see it, it's just another factor that adds in to our discussion here that we are talking about it, we are normalizing it. And the generation that comes next to us will not have to work so hard to make it normal.
Yeah.
Social media has made it normal for the generation coming after us, but still it is a struggle and it will take time to, you know, normalize it completely. Like as we see other garments, we'll see lingerie that way as well. Like earlier, I guess when we used to go to shopping, lingeries were not put up in displays and you can see and select. Now if you go to any mall or any shop, they are put up in display and you can literally go and take whatever you feel like, your size, and you can try and you can buy. Earlier it was ऐसा था कि सिर्फ शॉप्स EBOs होते थे कि आउटलेट से वहाँ पे दुकानदार को बोलो कि हमको ये चाहिए and the judgy stare from them. It's like this, oh, and then they do, and the weird part is वो आपको देख के बताते कि अरे नहीं मैडम आप ये साइज नहीं, आप ये साइज लो, आपको ये बराबर बैठेगा. I'm wearing it, I know.
Now in
Which is very weird.
Yes.
I guess this has changed because of the products being displayed properly now in markets.
Yeah. I think also online shopping has changed.
Yeah. Online shopping
this
has
perspective and this awkwardness women had. You stay in a PG,
so
right?
I get a lot. Oh, like, please suggest me what should I wear, where should I buy, or what is the correct size. So I get a lot of questions like, what should I?
For me, it's like I'm literally helping, you know, my aunties and everyone. Like people who have been wearing lingerie for like 10-15 years now down the line or more than that. Now they are asking about like, what size do you think we should try?
Oh,
Which is like, you have been wearing it for very long and now you want to know what size you should go for. It's so
my God.
strange.
I think in that time there was no cup size and all. Maybe abhi zyada awareness aa gaya and that is the reason it is there. So that time there was not much of a thing. They used to just go and buy where they were like many more padded and that age.
agreed, yeah.
But people
So
of our
there was
generation-
nothing. Our generation I can understand, but our generation I've still seen people wearing those katori styles.
Oh yeah.
That was the first one my mom suggested. Like, you should wear this thing now.
So now beginners have got a lot of options. अभी तो कटोरी है ही नहीं शायद.
Okay, like, I don't think so. I have never owned a
And I
Katori
guess-
style bra. Have you?
No.
But then I've seen that.
I was forced to. I tried and it's like, no. Rather I won't wear. It's better because it's nothing but a very thin cotton cloth.
There are cup.
That is it.
It
I
has a
think
different conical shape, right?
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
like
yeah.
हमारे
It
that
points
gives
out
that
out of your
look.
t-shirt.
हाँ. I have seen that. Somebody else wearing a bra and that coming out from the t-shirt, and there is a different weird shape that gets formed. But this is actually going to bring me to this. When was the first time you identified your bra size? That helped you not get things popping out of outfits and all of that.
In the first year of college, basically.
After I joined SWA,
Yeah.
I guess there was the time when I learned about bras in general. कि, oh my god, market में ये सब कुछ available है.
हाँ मतलब how to measure and all. So that is after joining SWA we came to know. Initially हाँ लेते थे. We used to take but the normal size. ये इतना नहीं था कि D cup लेना है, B cup लेना है. That all awareness we didn't had. So we were more into that.
And how about people around you? In your opinion, do you think that they are wearing the right sized bra? Don't take names, but like,
No.
no.
Big no. They are not at all aware about, let alone cup size, they are not aware about their band size also,
Right.
which is too much at this point. At least one should be aware about their band size, I feel.
Yeah, like कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि मैं बड़ा ब्रा पहन रही हूँ बड़े साइज का तो आई हैव अ बिगर बूब्स ऐसा भी होता है
Oh. Oh, is that
Yeah.
true?
नो लाइक
कैसे हो सकता है वैसा?
नो लाइक दैट वे से कि मेरा ब्रा साइज बहुत बड़ा है तो आई हैव अ बिगर बूब्स मतलब इल्यूजन दूसरे को बताने के लिए कि मेरा ब्रा साइज बड़ा है लाइक दैट
Do you think it is more about कि like मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर लोगों को लगे कि I have a bigger boob size?
सो आई डोंट नो बट ऐसा है कि लड़कों को ऐसा दिखाने के लिए आई गेस कि मेरा ब्रा साइज है मैं बूब साइज बहुत
So getting male attention is also a big
big
part
part.
to it. I'm seeing it.
Society has made this thing, like society has made us do this because you know if a girl or woman has a flat chest or like smaller boobs, they're like,
तेरा फ्लैट है
हाँ.
सपाट.
Yeah, I have heard that once for
Support.
some people, yes.
Like तेरे husband या तेरा boyfriend would be very unlucky.
मेहनत ज़्यादा लेनी पड़ेगी और कुछ नहीं.
Well, that's also another way to look at it. Like, because, like you said, there is a television in place today. There is online shows that are becoming more and more. They are becoming more and more bold. They are showing things that previously they were not showing, and they are addressing topics like this. That So, do men want bigger boobs, and do women want to actually listen to what is being shown in these television serials? So that is far from reality technically,
Yeah.
right? And it's just a sort of perception that we are bringing in. And then I think younger women probably in college who are fresh out of college just listen to those things and then they are like, okay, now I have to fake it, which is such a sad thing, right?
पहली बात तो किसी को पता नहीं है what men wants. I guess no one would have even asked them कि like what do you like. We are just taking our own assumptions कि
Yeah.
उनको ऐसा ही अच्छा लगता है. और why do we have to think about them?
Yeah.
You should be confident enough in what you have, how your body looks. That
Right.
is what matters the most. And plus televisions and all of it, when you जब हम actresses को देखते हैं, we compliment them like, oh my god, they look so pretty, they look so hot. Their bras, they are wearing a very nice lingerie. But वहीं कोई आपका friend या random इंसान आपके सामने आ जाए वैसे, you'll just stare them. And you'll stare them तब तक जब तक वो uncomfortable नहीं हो जाए.
True.
Which is, I mean, very hypocritic, I would say.
Yeah, and this hypocrisy that we have in our society also reflects from the way we look at things. It just reminds me about something. There a few years ago there was a front page photograph in one of the newspapers wherein there was a Deepika Padukone photo on front page, full page. She was wearing an Indian outfit. It was a very nice white color salwar kameez and a little bit of her cleavage was seen. And they pointed it out. And a few years later, probably a few months ago, there was a shoot that Ranveer Singh did. wherein he was completely naked, and it was so glorified, saying, see how body positive he is, he does not, it's his own body and he's embracing it. See, the narrative changes when it comes to men and women as well. That is the hypocrisy we get to see today. And what are your thoughts on this hypocrisy that we see? Like, do you think it is still there, or is it just in media that we get to see it?
It is still there, but on a lesser part. Like it's still there. People still see. Even today, if I go, they say, "अरे नहीं यार, घर से ही चालू होती है ये बात. बाहर की तो छोड़ ही दो, घर से it starts from the home itself. दिख रहा है यार, go straight."
And I guess वो बहुत गलत है यार at certain points. You should be comfortable. I mean, people around you should understand
Yes.
your mindset, your choice of clothes.
And it should be respected.
Exactly.
Right, yeah.
And ये सब चीज़ें again वही है कि hypocrisy पे जा रहा है. Actresses and models wearing it, oh my god, looking
Yeah.
hot and all of it. वही तुम्हारी घर की औरतें अगर थोड़ा सा fashion कर ले, तो it's like
अरे एक्ट्रेस मॉडल नहीं, बाजू वाली भी करे तो भी चल जाए. घर की नहीं करनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
घर की कर ले तो it's like अच्छे घर की लड़कियों को शोभा नहीं देता.
Yes, अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ. That's another angle that we have when we address topics like these. And I'm going to ask you one last question for this session. I want to know metaphors that you have heard for your boobs.
गुब्बारे.
संतरा, orange.
Fruits related.
Fruits.
So जितने भी veg
So
fruits
सबसे
हैं.
छोटी साइज हो तो लेमन, नींबू है, थोड़ा हो तो संतरा है. अब गुब्बारा मुझे पता नहीं यार, फूट के छोटा तो हो जाएगा और flat हो जाता तो पता नहीं गुब्बारे किसको. बट है, देयर वी हैव हर्ड pumpkins, watermelons, everything.
Interesting.
People do this also.
Yeah,
Bro, you're
this,
Very interesting, actually.
There are terms in Hindi also. It's very
What?
bad words.
हाँ तो एक बात बता दो यार.
Just try something in Hindi.
बोबले दिख रहे हैं.
Oh, it's different. I have heard तुम्हारा दिख रहा है by some people.
हाँ ये तुम्हारा दिख रहा है, मैं क्या दिख रहा है पर एग्जैक्टली क्या दिख रहा है.
Good question.
Don't leave us hanging in there.
So
Yes.
I was going by a scooty. So one uncle passed by and he was doing like this. So I was like,
लाइट चालू है.
Right.
I was confused, like he was showing something in that sense. तो बाद में मुझे फ्रेंड ने बोला कि for the light, but I was
So that was that thing going on in your mind.
Then it would definitely be a derogatory comment somebody is making. This was great, I think, and probably such discussions are just a way for people like me to embrace lingerie or embrace ourselves, basically who I am personally today, and women like me who want to look at ourselves in a bit more positive image. This sort of a setting, these sort of conversations are going to help us going ahead as well. And maybe if after this, if I go home and talk to my mom about this, she will definitely tell some more people about it, and slowly but steadily we will bring in this change about normalizing lingerie for that matter, normalizing body positivity for that matter, and normalizing not being mean to other people because of their body for that matter as well. And thank you so much for sharing your stories and having this conversation with us. And we are looking forward to more people also sharing their insights for this. And I hope you guys have a great day ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Great.